Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my hair really quick. It's been 5 days since I did a fresh retwist, and I decided to leave my hair in a ponytail so that I could try to see how long this retwist is going to last. So for those of you who don't know, I have microlocks, but I've decided to do palm rolling or retwisting instead of interlocking. I've never interlocked my hair before. I've just been doing strictly retwisting. And with that, there are pros and cons. You know, some of the cons are you have a lot of slippage and things like that. So because they're just so tiny, they're harder to lock. And then combined with the texture of my hair, yeah, it's been a journey. So here's what it's looking like. Here's what it's looking like. Decided to put some accessories in. Yeah, just a simple ponytail.